Hi, Savannah from LTYG Shoppe, and today I want to talk to you about one of my personal favorite products in the shop. This is wild oregano oil, and it's the basis of many of Jini's health protocols and home remedies because it's a powerhouse. Jini always says if she were stranded on a desert island and she could only bring one thing along, wild oregano oil would be it. Her books have instructions for many uses for wild oregano oil, the most important being Jini's healing guide for gut infection, where she instructs you how to use wild oregano oil and therapeutic probiotics to create a very healthy microbiome. So, let me demonstrate here. The dosage really varies. Generally, it's best to start with 1 drop and kind of work your way up to make sure that you're not going to have any adverse reactions. Herxheimer reaction is very common, and that's just kind of a detox that you get as it sweeps all the bad bacteria out of your gut. So, just get a little bit in here, and what you want to do is you want to hold a little bit of water in your mouth, drop it in, and then take another sip to try to chase it down. So, let me demonstrate. So I'm going to hold this in my mouth. And that's it. Easy peasy. This is a really good way for children to take wild oregano oil. Adults too, of course. But if you find that you're having trouble taking the woo via a dropper in water, we also carry woo in capsules. Now, wild oregano oil is very concentrated, so it's really key to know exactly how to use this powerful substance, how to prepare a dilution of it, and which dilution or strength to use for different conditions, how often to dose, etc. Remember to visit Jini's Heal Your Symptoms section on the LTYG site to look up the home remedy instructions for whatever ails you. If the treatment involves wild oregano oil, Jini will talk directly about that on the relevant symptom page. Make sure to also grab Jini's ebook, What You Need to Know About Wild Oregano Oil, because she gives you all the dosages, instructions, everything that you need. So go ahead and visit listentoyourgut.com/woo. That's WOO, like wild oregano oil, woo. Listentoyourgut.com/woo to download your copy for free today.